Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you why you should be worrying if you use stock audio on your script. Now, this is probably something you won't see anywhere because they like to talk about the picture perfect scenario, but I'm going here to show you the real world scenario and how to avoid this hiccup. Now, what do you mean by that? So, when you go to stock and then you go to audio and you got music, there's a whole bunch of different music. So, let's say let's say, how about let's just say I like this one just for fun. I'm just gonna add it in and I'm gonna loop it in for so here it is, all right? It's only up to here. Oops. And then it stops. So I'm just gonna go ahead and loop it to go all the way down. And I simply click on layer, click on loop, and there you go. It goes all the way down now. Okay. And then let's say I used it, I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and export this. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and try to upload it as if I would normal. And here it is. Okay, I'm just gonna click on next, and then I'm gonna wait for the check. So basically it's checking if there's any restrictions that I might have on my video. And then this is the problem right here. You see this red dot? It says it's copyright protected content found. The owner allows the content to be used on YouTube. All right. But it says right here, like you gotta see the details. See, copyright claim. Boom. The claim doesn't restrict your video at the moment. This is they say this is not a copyright strike. The copyright claims on your video doesn't affect your channel, and there's no visibility restrictions, but this happens a lot when I use the audio in Descript, and this is a scary thing to have. Now, obviously, you can take action or whatever. I go to return to upload. What I typically do is I don't even touch the audio on Descript because this has happened way too many times, and I don't want it to come back later and get me. So I completely eliminate the audio from all my videos. And why does this happen? This happens because all of these sources from stock video and sound effects, they haven't been vetted. Wherever Descript get these songs from, it seems like they haven't checked whether or not it's actually copyright free. Same with the visuals. Like you're not how sure are you that these things are vetted or are copyright free? You're trusting that Descript has vetted it. You don't know. But I can say for one thing for sure is that the audio I just shown you, this is not hype. This is not me trying to fearmonger or anything. This is showing you proof that this is one of the flaws with the script that you use audio and it comes up as a copyright strike, right? A check. And then it says right here, copyright protected content found. You got to be careful. Should you use it? They say you can use it. They say your thing will be visible. But what happens later on if the musician decides that he wants to go ahead and change the copyright protection and your song happens to have it? Like, you're going to have to, all your videos with this song are now going to be in jeopardy. So just avoid this headache altogether. I would recommend my solution is don't use the audio altogether, avoid the headache, avoid the drama, and go with the source that you know is vetted. Now, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how I get around this, my personal way. There's many ways to fix something, and I'm not saying my way is the right way. I'm just saying that it works for me and I would share it with you. However, it's a bit long to cover in this video, so I'll cover it in the next video. But I just want to warn people that when you use audio from the script, this is something you're going to have to run into, and this is something that you're going to have hanging over your head after you publish the video. Is it something that you want to be worried about? To me, I know my answer is no. I want to produce my content. I don't want this hanging over my head, even though the owner allows content to be used on YouTube. It's confusing. It says it's copyright protected content found. So just in the off chance that the owner of this music wants to change his mind later on and it might affect me, I'm just gonna not use it altogether. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you exactly what I do. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.